This is his right leg. I'm going to go lateral, so I'm going to go this way from the tibia. So the tibia, I'm going to go lateral. I have my tibialis anterior. I'm going to go more lateral. I have this muscle right here. This is the extensor digitorum longus. So tibialis anterior, extensor digitorum longus. Right here, I have my peroneus longus, peroneus brevis. So both are peroneus. This is longus. So if you did well in kindergarten, you can see that this one is longer than this one. So peroneus longus, peroneus brevis. Since we're looking laterally, this is going to be the soleus. And then this would be the gastrocnemius. This right here would be the biceps femoris. Let's go back to the tibia. Here's my tibia. Now I'm going to go medially, I guess, towards the center, to the right. Right here, I have my flexor digitorum longus. If I go one more without breaking his leg, so I'll just show the separation. Here is my flexor digitorum longus, right here. More medially, this muscle right here. I'm not going to pull it out for you, but that's the hallucis, flexor hallucis longus. So if we start at the tibia, we move medially. This would be the flexor digitorum longus, and then we have the hallucis, flexor hallucis longus. Gastroc, and then we'd say this is the plantaris because we're looking medially.
Okay.
Do you want to look at the upper leg?
Yeah.
Okay. So right here, we have our gracilis. Here we have our sartorius. Flap them over so they're out of the way. We have this thing hanging out. This is the semitendinosus. We go right here to another hamstring muscle. We have the semimembranosus. Then we're going to go to the abductors. This is the abductor femoris. And we continue to move over here. We have this piece and a piece over here. So these pieces are detached. They're broken because of dissection. And that is the abductor longus. If we look at the quadricep group, we'll look at the location. So this is medial. So this would be the vastus medialis. This is lateral. So this would be the vastus lateralis. And in between would be the rectus femoris. If we look over by the hip area, again we have our bicep femoris. Here this is part of the gracilis, so let's get rid of that. Now we have this. Here we can see a muscle that is in this fascia. This muscle right here is the tensor fasciae lati, and it attaches to the fascia lati. That's this part right here. It just looks like fascia. If we go to the butt, nice and moist. Right here, superior to the other two muscles of the butt area, we have our gluteus medius. Just inferior, we have our gluteus maximus, and it looks smaller than the medius. Maximus is right here. And then inferior to that, we have the caudofemoralis. So caudofemoralis, gluteus maximus, and this is the gluteus medius.